also plan to sneak a Vera in, so.
She has no idea what's going on. Where's Bebe? Where is she? Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I am actually by myself right now, but as you guys can tell from the title of this video, this is going to be What's in My Hospital Bag Husband Edition. My husband and I thought this would be actually very helpful for people because, especially as first-time parents, you have no idea what to pack, and watching all these videos on YouTube, like they're always the female, the mother, the pregnant mom doing the hospital bag video. So my video is going to come up in about 2 weeks, and I'm actually going to be packing for myself, our newborn baby, baby number 2, as well as our toddler daughter, who is 4, so she will be coming with us. But we thought it'd be helpful to do a what's in my hospital bag for the first time dads, or just dads in general, since most dads don't bring anything or they just bring like a change of clothes and that's it. First time my husband didn't really pack anything, but we also lived in walking distance from the hospital. We were like maybe like 3 to 5 minute drive from the hospital. Back then it wasn't a big deal if we forgot something, because he could just quickly drive home and he wouldn't be too far from me at any point. But this time our hospital is a little bit further, so it's about 30 to 40 minutes with traffic.
Alright guys, I'm here to show you what I plan to pack for our hospital visit, and it could span at least 2 to 3 days, so I want to kind of be prepared. Over here I have some essentials. I have a pair of headphones, a pair of Apple AirPods, a sort of personal journal, and then I have a special pen that my wife bought me for Christmas. It's a space pen, so you can actually write upside down with it and you won't lose any ink, so it's great for writing while you're laying on your back. Charger, your typical stuff. So a wallet. I don't have my laptop in here because it's hooked up because I'm actually working, so I will be bringing that. My glasses. I don't have a vision problem. These are just glasses for UV light to, staring at a computer for a very long time. So I have another pair of headphones, which are over the ear, more of a comfort, sound enjoyment type. I have a checkbook in case I need to write a check or something. Passport in case I need another form of ID. Keys or a car. Obviously cell phone. And then a book. So this was on Bill Gates's recommended reading list. So if you're a programmer like me and you're interested in AI or machine learning, this is something that he recommends, so I can't personally recommend it yet because I haven't really started it. Packing cube for my clothes. I do plan to bring an umbrella, and that's actually in the car. Well, 3 pairs of socks, 1 pair of underwear just in case we're there for a couple days. Black shirt, you can see I like black, and black athletic pants as well, because I'm not sure what the temperature will be. Then I have a shoe bag. These will be my shoes I'll probably wear at the hospital. I'll also have another pair of sneakers that I'll wear to the hospital, or throw away, toothbrushes for our stay, and so I have my brush, deodorant, necessary hygiene items. And I have a sketchbook, draw, kill some time, and we'll probably bring her trace book or another item. That way we, keep her distracted and entertained. This is an air travel pack, like one of those 1 bag minimal travel packs, so you could probably pack 3-4 days worth of stuff in here, and you don't have to worry about checking your bag. If you're going on a flight, this could all be carry-on, so this is why I got this.
Otherwise, if you guys have any questions, make sure to leave it in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, so in a couple of weeks, I'm going to do weekly up until I actually give birth, and I will be filming it. But otherwise, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.